Okay, so you want to make money, right? Well, in this video, I have a very easy idea that you can copy right now and start making money today using ChatGPT and Etsy. And if this idea fascinates you, subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, and let's get into the tutorial because this will blow your mind. Let's go. As you can see, I'm on the Etsy website here, and let's type in cards and filter this by digital downloads, Etsy pick, star seller. Apply. Have a look at these results, guys, and look how much money people are actually making selling digital products. Look at this design. They sell over 800, and look at the price, over 564 kran. Have a look at this, 13,000 sale, 2,200 sale, 3,000 sales. And the list goes on. Look at this, 17,000 sales, 4,005, 4,005. And guys, if you open up any one of these digital products, you will see that you are able to download them once you buy it. So it's a digital download here, as you can see, and this is a PDF file. Now, as you can see on Etsy, there are so many different cards people are selling. These are birthday cards, gift cards, welcome cards, so many different cards, business cards, and you can use it as an inspiration to know what kind of card that you would like to sell. Now, in our case, let's go ahead and create like a business card. Now, what we will do is head over to ChatGPT, and as you can see, I've asked ChatGPT to create 50 short and cheeky birthday card note, and ChatGPT have given me 50 amazing ones. And you can go through the list and you can find some of the really nice ones, and you can use this to create your design within Canva. In general, if I type cards, you'll find a wide range of templates that you can choose from. But if I type in birthday cards, you will be able to see a lot more specific design for birthdays that you can choose from. And here you see that Canva is giving me more of a detailed birthday card styles that I can choose from. So this is my template, guys, and I will do a bit of customization to this template. And that's what you want to do. You want to customize each template that you get in Canva to make it unique and make it special so people find your design unique. And let's just make some basic changes here. So let's edit this image and we can play around with the different styles here. As you can see, I made some changes there. We can change it to whatever we like. It's up to us. We can play around with so many things, guys. Now, guys, as you can see on this page here, there is a picture, right? Now, you don't want to leave this picture here. You want to remove it and put something like a frame. So whosoever will buy this design, they will know that it's for a picture. So let's go ahead and search for frames here. So what you want to do, you want to remove this picture from here and just go ahead and choose a different empty frame. You can adjust and play around with the size to ensure that it fits well in your design, and you can, make sure that you adjust it very nicely to your design. You have to play around with it so that it's nice. You can also change the position so that it goes back and it looks very nice there. So people will know, guys, that this is for a picture. Now, as for the text, you can go ahead and you can choose some of the nice text that you get from ChatGPT, and you can replace those texts with the text that you got. Now, if you don't like the style of the text, you can always play around with a different format of the text. Guys, it's totally up to you. Whatever you want to do, you can go ahead and you can play around with it and modify it to your liking. Now, guys, once you finish editing your design, you want to download that, right? And save it so in a format that someone can edit it very easily. Right, and as you can see, people are downloading them in PDF, so you can also do the same and download your document in PDF prints. Let's put it like that. Now, what you want to do, guys, you want to head back over to Etsy, right? And what you want to do is sign in. Let's create an account here. And once you're inside of Etsy, guys, you want to go to your account and you want to choose Sell on Etsy. You go ahead and click Sell on Etsy. You're going to get started here. And you will continue. Let's go ahead and continue with your profile. You can even skip some of these questions. You can say, okay, sell online, click next, and let's go ahead and start our shop. Now it's going to ask you some information here to select languages, choose some currency, You go ahead and do that, and you want to come up with a shop name, right? So let's go ahead and create something. And if you don't know what kind of shop name to come up with, you can always use ChatGPT to come up with some chat name ideas. But let me go ahead and create a shop name, something very easy. So here, as you can see, I type crazy cards, right? And I will just choose something that they give to me. You can always come up with something very unique, as I mentioned. Save and continue. Now, this is the next step. You're gonna go ahead and you're gonna stock your shop. This is very easy. You can go ahead and you can upload your images. You can add video if you need to. You can provide details of your listing. You can go ahead and you can put your pricing and so forth. Different variations, if there are different variations as well. You can choose the delivery. You can go ahead and you can fill in whatever information that they're asking you that is related to your product. It's a digital product as well, so you go ahead and you make sure that you select that. Once you finish with everything here, you go ahead and you fill in how you will get paid, you set up your billing, and you complete your store. And every time you'll have a new product, you'll go ahead and you can add those new products to your store, guys. Now, I also want to mention that when you're creating titles for your products and description, you want to make sure that this is fully optimized. And if you don't know how to create a fully optimized title for your products, you can always use ChatGPT to help you by simply typing the product name and ask ChatGPT, make this title fully optimized or something like that. Now guys, I want to also share with you a bonus tip. This website here, Rocketfly, you can go ahead and you can sign up for free and you can create a store. And with this website here, you can boost your sale and make much more sale faster, especially if you're just starting out. Now, this is just one example, guys, but you can use Etsy and you can find so much more ideas. Then go back to Canva and find templates that you can modify and make some amazing designs. As well, there are AI tools out there that can help you to come up with some really unique style, really unique ideas that you can utilize and make something amazing. Now, you want to do this and you want to create as much product as possible, make them unique and make them optimized so that people can find them, and this will greater your chance to make a lot more sales faster. And there you have it, guys. I really hope that you found some value within this tutorial. And if you do, let us know in the comments below and give this video a thumbs up. And if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, feel free to subscribe to the channel to see much more videos coming out every week like this one. See you next time.